By repeating a few simple steps, you can create text effects just like this. But before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you're ready, let's get started. First, type out your text and decide on its size and font. Then, if it's not already active, go to Window and enable the Appearance panel, since we'll be doing everything from there. I'm using the Gotham font and writing the channel name as an example. In the Appearance panel, you'll see two boxes at the bottom. Click on Add New Fill. Then choose the appropriate colors for the fill and stroke and adjust the stroke thickness to your preference. Hold down the Shift key and select both the stroke and the fill. Then drag them onto the duplicate selected icon and release to create copies of both. Select the bottom fill, then click on the FX icon and go to Distort and Transform. In the window that opens, enter 25px for both horizontal and vertical under the Move section. Once you click OK, you'll see the fill shift by that amount. Repeat the same steps for the stroke. Go to FX, Distort and Transform, set both values to 25px and click OK. Now select the color of the bottom fill, then hold Shift and drag both the bottom fill and stroke onto the duplicate selected item icon to create another copy. For this new set, go into the effects again one by one and apply Transform, this time entering 50px for both horizontal and vertical values. After applying it to both, change the fill color accordingly. From here, simply repeat the same steps as before, each time increasing the move values and assigning a different color to the fill. Once again, we repeat the process by selecting the bottom fill and stroke and duplicating them. Then we transform each of them by setting both the horizontal and vertical values to 75 pixels. After choosing the appropriate fill color, our text effect is ready. For a more flexible and smooth look, we go to the top Type menu and apply an effect. By using the Warp option and selecting the Rise effect, we achieve a much better and more dynamic result. Thank you to everyone who watched the video until the end. Don't forget to leave a comment, and for those who want to support me, you can visit the Patreon link in the description and choose any monthly plan to support the channel.